In this lesson, you'll discover how to paint in watercolor using the dry brush on moist Alla Prima technique.
To demonstrate the dry brush on moist Alla Prima watercolor painting technique, I will use the same object as in previous videos, an apple. After making a quick sketch in graphite pencil on watercolor paper, I will start by wetting the paper surface with a flat synthetic brush. First, I will apply clean water on the reverse side of the watercolor sheet. This is high-quality 100% cotton watercolor paper. Its weight is 300 GSM and its surface is cold-pressed. I will now pick up the paper sheet and add water onto the plastic board. I place the watercolor paper onto the board face up, so that the layer of water is trapped between the plastic board and the reverse side of the paper sheet that has already been moistened. I then wet the front side as well. When the paper becomes moist, I can start painting. For this, I use a small, flat, natural hair brush from Escoda. The term dry brush does not literally mean that the brush is totally dry. It is actually moist because I absorbed water from its belly with a paper napkin. The name of this watercolor painting technique, dry brush on moist Alla Prima, fully describes what this technique is about. Both paper and brush should be moist, and the artwork has to be done in one attempt.